So in these bags here, these old compost bags here, we have leaf mould from last year's leaves. We put them here because we need to use the leaf bin for this year's leaves, and the leaf mould will sit in these bags for the next 4 to 6 months or so before we need to use it next year around the garden. Meanwhile, what we're going to do now is, if you follow me around this way, we have our leaf bin between two compost heaps in the garden. The leaf bin is just made out of some old pieces of wood and some chicken wire, and we collected leaves from around the garden and from other people's houses. They've let us do it, of course, and what we're going to do is we're going to put this year's leaves in the leaf bin to make leaf mould for next year. Leaf mould is a really nice thing to make for the garden because it breaks down through fungal action, and it introduces fungi into the garden when you use it as a mulch around the borders and in the vegetable patch during the springtime. You just put it on top of the garden because the worms will bring it in, and the nutrients will be and it'll all be dragged down into the soil by the worms. Now, leaf mould itself is not very nutrient rich, but what it is very good at doing, it's very good at adding a structure to the soil with the worms pulling it in, and it's also very good at increasing the amount of moisture the soil can hold. An extremely important thing these days in climate change, when too many soils have not got enough structure and haven't got enough organic material in them, and therefore soils do not contain the amount of water they used to do. Okay, so here's the leaf mould bin. It's been filled with leaves, and my glamorous assistant here is helping compact the leaf bin so that all the extra leaves that we will get over the next few weeks or so, there'll be plenty of room. Compacting it is a really good thing to do. We'll be able to get more in the leaf mould bin, and we'll be able to make more leaf mould for 2022.